Welcome. If you've ever tried searching for all the emails in your Gmail inbox that have PDF files attached, you know it can be a challenge, especially with a busy inbox. In this guide, I'm going to walk you through the latest and easiest way to find every email with a PDF attached using just the Gmail app on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the correct account you want to search. Once you're in, look at the top of the screen for the search field. Tap on it. It's usually marked by a little magnifying glass icon. Once the search field is open, you'll see several filter options appear just under the bar. Look for the one labeled Attachment. Tap on Attachment to start narrowing down your results to only emails that include files. After tapping Attachment, you'll see a menu pop up with different file type options. This is where you can be specific. Scroll through the list until you see PDFs. Tap PDFs, and Gmail will instantly apply that filter. Now, your inbox will refresh to display only emails that have PDF files attached. It's that simple. You can scroll through the results and see any messages where someone sent you a PDF, whether it's work documents, receipts, ebooks, or important forms. This search filter works for any folder in your Gmail, whether that's your inbox, sent mail, or even custom folders you've created. And if you want to narrow things down even further, you can add keywords in the search bar, like a person's name or a subject, alongside the PDF filter. No more endless scrolling or trying awkward search commands. Just a few taps and you'll have every important PDF attachment at your fingertips. Give it a try the next time you're searching for that one file you just can't seem to find. Thanks for watching.